Hello, my dear students and friends. I am Manoj Kumar Verma, PGT Computer Science of Kendriya Vidyalaya Dulhasti Power Station, Kishtwar. I am discussing Chapter 8 Dictionaries of Informatics Practices, Class 11th. Before discussing this chapter, we required some previous chapters knowledge like Python fundamentals, data handling, conditional statement, iterative statements, and list manipulations. This, this chapter consists from following topics, and we will discuss following topics in this chapter: dictionary, introduction, concept of key value pairs, how to create dictionary, how to initialize, traversing, updating and deleting elements. So dictionary. So actually dictionary are mutable and unordered collection of elements in the form of key and value pairs. So you may know that Python offers various options to store multiple values under one variable name like strings, list and tuple. List is a mutable data type. What? Tuple is immutable data type. Dictionary is also a mutable data type. That means value of dictionary we can change, but key we cannot change. So dictionary is also a collection like string, list and tuple. It is very versatile data type. There is a key in it with a value. So a dictionary consists from key and value. Each key of dictionary consists from unique value, and value of the dictionary may be changed, or two value of a dictionary may be same. Dictionaries are mutable data type. So dictionary is a mutable data type means we can change the value of dictionary, but key we cannot change. It is an unordered collection in the form of key value, key colon value. So key will be unique value and value is the value of the dictionary. In list, index of a value is important. Normally in list index is important, but in dictionary key is important. Dictionary key value pair. To create a dictionary, it is needed to collect pairs of key value in curly braces. A dictionary consists with curly braces. List consists with square bracket, tuple with braces, and dictionary consists with curly braces. This is the curly braces. For example, look here, this doctors. Here doctors is the dictionary name, curly braces start, curly braces closed, double quote, Dr. Sohan Lal, ortho, Dr. Preeti gyno, Dr. Kiran Ayurveda, Dr. Dinesh is also Ayurveda. So here Dr. Sohan Lal is ortho, Dr. Preeti is gyno. So here Dr. Sohan Lal, Dr. Preeti, Dr. Kiran and Dr. Dinesh is the key, and value of this dictionary is ortho, gyno, Ayurveda and Ayurveda. So the syntax is dictionary name, doctors is the dictionary name, equal sign, curly braces start, curly braces close, key 1 colon, value 1, comma. So each key and value separated with a comma. The second key, colon value, comma key 3, colon value, and so on. In this example, this key value pair Dr. Sohanlal and Ortho, one key value pair, second Dr. Preeti Gyno, third Dr. Kiran and Ayurveda, and fourth one Dr. Dinesh and Ayurveda. So key, this is the key and this is the value for this example. Suppose that you want to make this program now. Some examples of dictionary are, this is DICT, the dictionary name, curly braces, start and close. This is the empty dictionary without any element. Now second, state capitals. This is the dictionary name, equal sign, curly braces start, curly braces close, Jammu Kashmir. This is the key value with the Jammu, Punjab, colon Chandigarh. This is the second key value pair. Third, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Fourth one, Kerala, Trivandrum. Another example is also like that. By above examples, you can easily understand. Okay, then key value pair. Now, dictionary is also known as associative array or mapping or hash. So dictionary also known as associative array because each key is associated with value. So it is also called associative array or mapping, because we can say also this is mapping Jammu Kashmir with Jammu, Punjab with Chandigarh, Madhya Pradesh with Bhopal, Kerala with Trivandrum, or also called the hash. How to create dictionary or dictionary creation? Key should always be of immutable type. I already told you the key of dictionary will not change. This is immutable. If you try to make key as mutable, Python shown error in it. For example, suppose that this one dictionary DICT is the dictionary name, 2, 3, this is list, colon my room, because this is list, so list is mutable, okay, and my room is the value, so this will generate the error. Now I will tell you with program. DICT 1 equal to curly braces close. Now look here, DICT 1. Now we will run it. Here DICT 1 is the dictionary name, curly braces start and close. This is the empty dictionary, and DICT 1 we are printing here, DICT 1. Now this is empty list will generate. Now another example, DOCTORS, doctors equal to curly braces start, Dr. Sohanlal, colon ortho, comma second Dr. Preeti, colon double quote gyno, comma Dr. Kiran, colon Ayurveda, comma Ayurveda, comma, Dr. Dinesh, colon, Ayurveda, now look here, doctor is the dictionary name, equal sign, calligraphy start and close, Dr. Sohanlal, colon, ortho. So this Sohanlal is a key with value ortho. Second, Dr. Preeti is another key, value with gyno. Third, Dr. Kiran. Fourth, Dr. Dinesh. Now we want to print doctors, DOCTORS, and run it. So it will generate output Dr. Sohanlal, colon, ortho, Dr. Preeti, gyno, Dr. Kiran, Ayurveda, Dr. Dinesh, Ayurveda. Look here, when you are entering the key and value in dictionary, you can enter in single quote or double quote for dictionary, but output will come only in single quote for a string. Here Sohanlal, it is in double quote, but here it is coming in single quote. Ortho double quote, it is coming in single quote only. So this is the output of this program. Simply, what is the syntax? Dictionary name, equal sign, curly braces start, curly braces close, key value 1, colon, value 1, comma, key 2, colon, value 2, and so on. Now accessing a dictionary. Accessing means to access or to print the value of dictionary through key. To access a value from dictionary, we need to use key. Without key, we can't find. Key, similarly, we can use an index to access a value from a list. Like list, we can find a value through index, but in dictionary we require the key for finding the value of a dictionary. We get the key from the pair of key value. This is the key and this is the value. Suppose that we want to find a value, we require the key. For example, teachers equal to Rajiv is the key and math is the value, comma, APA, another teacher's name, physics, comma, APS, chemistry, comma, SBCS. If we execute following statement from the above example, it will display like that: teachers, Rajiv, maths, APA, physics, APS, chemistry, SBCS, teachers, Rajiv. So value will come maths. Rajiv is a mathematics teacher. So here math is the value of key Rajiv. So math will display. If you want to print with print function, print Rajiv teachers, then teachers Rajiv. So it will come Rajiv teachers and value of math will come. Look here with example, I will show you. Doctors, Control C, Control V, doctors, Dr. Preeti, Dr. Preeti. Now Dr. Preeti is the key and value of Dr. Preeti will come. Look here, some errors are there. Dr. Preeti, Look here, this error is coming because I wrote here capital P and here wrote small p. That's why error is coming. It is not matching. Keyword key error Dr. Preeti. Now I wrote here small p because it is here small p. So this key should be matched here because this is case sensitive. So Dr. Preeti Gyno is coming. Accessing a dictionary, we have selected key Rajiv and non printing it, math got printed. Another example, look, another example, D equal to vowel 1 A, vowel 2 E, vowel 3 I, vowel 4 O, value vowel 5 U, like that. Print D, print D, D means dictionary name vowel 2, E will come. Print D, vowel 5 U will come. Traversal of a dictionary. Traversing means to access each element of the dictionary is called traversing. So for traversing or printing or accessing each element from the dictionary, we require the loop. So for this purpose we can use for loop. So what is the syntax? For keyword, item is the dictionary name, in is the keyword, for is the keyword, item is a variable name, in is the keyword, and dictionary is the dictionary name and colon, then body of the loop. Look this example, D equal to dictionary name equal to 5 colon number, 5 is the key and number is the value, A is the key, string is the value, 1 2 is the key and tuple is the value. So how we can write? For keyword, item is a temporary variable which stores the each element of dictionary. In keyword, D is the dictionary name and colon. Print, we are printing here K, value of K will come. Inside double quote we can write the colon, and DK means dictionary and value of K will print. Now look here, 5 number, A string, 1 2 tuple. So I will show you how to do with program. One example, look here. Doctors is the dictionary name, Dr. Samanlal, Ortho, Dr. Preeti, Gyno, Dr. Kiran, Ayurveda, Dr. Dinesh, Ayurveda. 4 is the keyword, K is a temporary variable, in doctors, dictionary name and colon. Print K, value of K will print from starting of key 1, Dr. Samanlal, then Preeti, then Kiran, then Dr. Dinesh, and doctors K. Value of each key will display. Now run it. Look here, output. Dr. Samanlal is the key and value is ortho, Dr. Preeti, Gyno, Dr. Kiran, Ayurveda, Dr. Dinesh, Ayurveda, and so on. Traversal of dictionary. Another example, D equal to vowel A, vowel 2, vowel 3, A, E, I, O, U. D dot key. Suppose that we want to display all keys. We can use a function, key function, KEYS. Syntax is dictionary name dot keys, KEYS function. This is function, so it will generate all keys in the dictionary. Second function, for display the values of dictionary. Syntax is dictionary name dot values. Look here. Doctors dot keys. Here doctors is the dictionary name dot keys. Keys is a function. Now run it. It generated all key: Dr. Sohanlal, Dr. Preeti, Dr. Kiran and Dr. Dinesh. Same thing. Doctors dot values, VALUES. This is function, inbuilt function. Now look here. It will generate all values: ortho, gyno, Ayurveda and Ayurveda. Now features of dictionary. Unordered set. A dictionary is a collection of keys and value in unordered manner. These key and value is in unordered. There is no order. Not a sequence like list, string and tuple. It is not a sequence like tuple and list. It is not like in sequence. It is a collection of unordered. Already I told you. It is unordered set of element. Keys are used for its indexing. This list concept from the index and elements, but dictionary consists from keys and values. So here key just like index, because according to Python key can be of immutable type. Key is immutable type that cannot be changed. String and numbers are of immutable type and therefore can be used as a key. Example of keys are as under. Feature of dictionary, look here. D equal to 0, key 0, 1, 3, 4, 5 like that. So here 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, all these are the key, and value is key 0, key 1, key as string, key as tuple and 6. So this is the value. Now D0 means key 0 will come. D1 means key 1, D3 means key as string, D4 5 means key as tuple, D hello means 6. Key should be unique. So the feature of dictionary is key is always unique value. We cannot give two key value of a dictionary is same. If you will enter same key of two element, error will come, because key are used to identify values so that they should be unique. Value of two unique key can be same. The value of a dictionary of two value may be same. Dictionary is mutable, hence we can change value of a certain. We can change the value of dictionary. How to change? Dictionary name, square bracket, key and new value. Look here, D equal to 0, key 0, 1 key 1, 3 key as string 4 5, key as tuple hello 6. Now D3 equal to this is string. That means we are changing the value. D3, now new value of key 3 is this is string. Earlier was the value of 3 was key as string. Now new value of key 3 is this is string. Now we are printing value of D. This is string 3. The value of key 3 is this is string. Thank you. Next topic we will discuss